Good day, everyone. Welcome to another episode. We shall continue about the quadratic equation. Now, the first method of solving quadratic equation, which we mentioned in the previous episode, factorization method. Example: solve the following using factorization method. A, x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. B, 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 equals 0. C, 5x squared minus 7x plus 2 equals 0. In these three examples, we shall take it one after the other. The first one, x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. To solve this using factorization method, you need to multiply the constant term by the coefficient of x squared. The coefficient of x squared here is 1. So we have plus 2x squared minus 3x. Now at this point you need to think of two numbers. When multiplied gives 2x. When added gives 3x. By computation, you have, when you compute, you are expected to have minus 2x minus x. Substitute these two to the middle expression. So we have x squared minus, so it takes the position of minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Factorize accordingly. X minus 2 minus 1, open bracket, x minus 2 equals 0. You can observe we have an identical expression, x minus 2, x minus 2. Any alteration in this, it is wrong. So you choose one of the two, open bracket, x minus 1 equals 0. So you make things fall apart. X minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 1 equals 0. X equals 0 plus 2 or x equals 0 plus 1. In conclusion, we have x equals 2 or 1. Take note, in quadratic equation it is expected you have two results, two answers, because the ith power of variable is 2, and that is how it works for the fundamental theorem of calculus, fundamental theorem of algebra. If you have n polynomials, you are expected to have n solutions. And quadratic equation is a polynomial of degree 2, so you are expected to have two solutions. You can check whether this is right or wrong. Check. Substitute x is equals to 2 into the given equation and see if that is right. You have x squared minus 3x plus 2. Substitute x is equals to 2. That's 2 squared minus 3 bracket 2 plus 2. That is 4 minus 6 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2, which is equal to the right-hand side. The same thing, when x is 1, you have 1 squared minus 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2, which is 1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 equals 0, which is the right-hand side. That's all for factorization. Practice B and C at your leisure time. Thanks for listening.